Today, we are diving deep into MailerLite, an email marketing platform that has gained popularity among small businesses, content creators, and online stores. The goal of this review is to provide you with an honest, hands-on look at the platform's features, usability, and overall effectiveness. Starting with the interface, MailerLite has a clean and intuitive dashboard. Right after logging in, you're welcomed by a simple navigation menu, which includes options like campaigns, automation, subscribers, and forms. This makes it easy to get started. Even if you're a beginner in email marketing, one of the key features that makes MailerLite stand out is its drag-and-drop email editor. When creating a new campaign, you can either start from scratch or choose from a variety of pre-designed templates. The email builder itself is very user-friendly, allowing you to add text blocks, images, buttons, and even product showcases effortlessly. There's also an HTML editor available for those who prefer custom coding their emails. Moving on to automation, MailerLite offers an easy-to-use workflow builder. You can set up automated sequences based on subscriber actions, such as opening an email, clicking a link, or subscribing to a list. This is great for sending personalized follow-ups, onboarding sequences, or abandoned cart emails for e-commerce businesses. The visual representation of these automations makes it simple to track and optimize email sequences. Segmentation is another strong feature of MailerLite. The platform allows you to group subscribers based on behavior, demographics, or engagement levels. This is particularly useful for sending targeted emails that improve open rates and conversions. Additionally, MailerLite provides A/B testing, so you can test subject lines, content, and sending times to maximize your campaign performance. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. MailerLite also offers landing pages and pop-ups, which are built directly into the platform. These tools help users capture leads without needing a separate website or third-party service. The landing page builder works similarly to the email editor, making it easy to customize and optimize for conversions. Pricing is another important factor when choosing an email marketing platform. MailerLite has a free plan, which includes up to 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails per month, making it a great option for beginners. Paid plans unlock advanced features like custom branding, priority support, and additional automation options. Compared to competitors like MailChimp or ConvertKit, MailerLite provides an affordable alternative without compromising essential features. One thing to note is that MailerLite requires new accounts to go through an approval process. This step helps maintain high deliverability rates by preventing spammy content on the platform, but it may take some time for new users to get started. On the integration side, MailerLite connects with popular third-party tools such as Shopify, WordPress, WooCommerce, and Zapier. This makes it easy to sync your email marketing with your existing website or e-commerce store. In terms of deliverability, MailerLite has a good reputation. The platform uses advanced authentication methods such as SPF and DKIM to improve inbox placement. Additionally, their email verification feature helps remove inactive or invalid email addresses, keeping your list clean and improving open rates. Overall, MailerLite is a powerful yet affordable email marketing tool that caters to beginners and small businesses. The platform balances simplicity with advanced features, making it an excellent choice for those looking for an intuitive and efficient email solution. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and tutorials on digital marketing tools.